In March of 2020, as COVID ravaged the land, Congress enacted the CARES Act, which allowed for a system of forbearances to be enacted to prevent homeowners from losing their homes to foreclosure while struggling with COVID-related unemployment or other reductions in income. It allows for up to 18 months of forbearance on mortgage payment for a homeowner experiencing COVID-related issues. That time for some is starting to run out. My name is Scott Goldstein. I'm an attorney. I'm practicing the area of bankruptcy in New York and New Jersey. So what do you do when your COVID forbearance runs out? Well, the first thing you have to do is figure out what your options are. Under the COVID guidelines and under the CARES guidelines, government-backed lenders cannot require that you pay back 100% of what you owe in arrears at the tail end, so a lump sum payment. They can't require that. So if you have an FHA, a USDA, a VA, a Fannie Mae or a Freddie Mac backed loan, you do not have to necessarily make a lump sum payment. They can't require it. If you have a non-quote GSE loan, so a portfolio loan that is held by another entity and not government backed, they can require a full lump sum repayment. What your lender may offer you is a couple of different things, and it's going to depend on your individual circumstances what you qualify for. Your lender could offer you a repayment plan where they tack some money onto your monthly payment and you make up the arrears over a certain period of time. They may offer either a partial claim or a extension on your mortgage. And a partial claim is they do a lump sum due at the end of the mortgage, or they do an extension on your mortgage where they tack on, let's say you took 6 months out of forbearance, they'll tack 6 months on to the end of your mortgage and you owe for the next 6 years after that. They may also apply a loss mitigation or a loan modification chance for you. Now the problem is going to be is if you don't qualify for loan modification and you can't afford your basic payment, or the repayment option they only offer you is going to be a repayment over a short period of time, that may be an option you can't afford, and you may have to look at whether or not you can continue to make those payments, especially if you have accrued other debt that has increased your overall spend once you now have to pay your mortgage. If that is the case, now is the time to start looking at what your overall financial situation is and whether or not you can deal with it in the post-COVID world, or if you need to look at some more radical steps to restructure your finances. What I would suggest you do, take a look at our website, take a look at our YouTube channel, see what else we have out there to see if maybe some of what we do could be an option to help you. And if you're ready to take the next step, please give us a call. My name is Scott Goldstein, the law offices of Scott J. Goldstein, and I look forward to hearing from you.